Hi, my name is Tahita Jabbar, and I am the director of SWAN, which stands for Someone Worth Accepting Now. If you or someone you know is a victim of domestic violence, I implore you to contact us. If you're a business and you would like to make a donation, please feel free to do so. Remember, SWAN, nobody deserves to be abused. Thank you.